Before we start this Premiere Pro tutorial, I have one question. Did you ever had trouble finding your bike? Or did you ever had trouble finding a particular clip in your Premiere Pro project? Staying organized helps a lot here. So let me show you the automation blocks tool, change label color of used clips. Here I have some clips, and if I wonder which of them have been used in my project already, I can just select them and run the tool. Before, all labels were blue, but now all clips which have been used already have a violet label instead, so that I can see instantly which ones were used and which ones were not. You can choose the desired label color here, and you can choose if you want to set the color of used or unused clips. Finally, by default, the tool processes only the currently selected project items, but if you uncheck this box, it will check the usage of all footage items in your project instead. And that's really all there is to say about this little helper tool. Just keep in mind that automation blocks comes with a ton of other tools too. You can, for example, put used clips into a subbin or even sort clips into subbins based on their rating to navigate your footage easier. So download the free trial and test automation blocks now.